Why'd you come around? Yeah, I pulled up with SnewJ now. Too legit. Right there, make me do it down. Could take it back. I got me a new little deal. Ain't nothing bad except the chair. So tell me, shorty, baby, who the real?
What is going on? It is me, SnewJ. Today is the day of the event, Socal Motorcycles in Brea. We got Showtime and Eddie right here with our bikes. Just posted. We're in front of JCPenney at the Inland Empire Mall. Just waiting for R1 Via and their sensor right now as he approaches us. Yeah, buddy. Hey, we got subscribers meeting us at Chaparral at 9 a.m. So after this, we're gonna head out there, ride with the subscribers all the way to Brea. That sounds like another bike. That's R1 Via. Action figure, hey. She's not wearing her gear today. State your name. Who are you? Who are you? State your name. Like my bike? Why? Why do you like it?
Because it's white.
Because it's white? R1 Via! Okay, so we're just waiting on two more people, J Flex and Angel. Showtime suggested I fly the drone over Chaparral real quick just to see who's out there, so let's do that.
Finished. The deed is done.
Yeah, buddy.
Sam, somebody took your bike.
Yeah, okay. With what key?
No, seriously, somebody took your bike.
April Fools! Come on, R1 Via. Come on. So,
Where else?
is Jose here? Jose's not here, huh?
Jose's not here.
Sam, somebody took your bike.
Let's run it.
What up, blood? Hey, today's Angel's birthday. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
We are rolling.
Alright, so I came back from upstairs and my bike is gone. I don't know where the hell it's at.
Holy shit!
Hey, you guys are fucked up. And now we're gonna be late to meeting up with some of the subscribers over there at Chaparral, so now we gotta find my bike.
What the fuck?
Oh, no.
For real?
Are you bullshitting?
Someone took it.
I know all of these. They put it somewhere. So
Where'd they put it?
Dude's bike is fucking missing.
What the hell?
Okay, so is this gonna be the thumbnail? Somebody stole my bike? Somebody stole my bike? Where the hell is this shit?
You guys went far and beyond.
Hey, for real?
It's like over there. Dude, that's fucked up. You don't put up the man's heart like that. That's like taking his woman.
We saw it.
I know,
We know where it's at. So he didn't put it there? What's the bike?
Why would somebody take it and you guys are standing there?
You guys just let it happen?
This is funny, dude. The reason why we're late is because of sensor and Via, okay? So,
You think Via could lift it? Come on. I mean, I'm not saying it's me, but Via can't lift it.
Sam.
What happened to it?
Sam.
it's down there. It's down there. I know it's down here.
Yeah.
Oh, man. You guys went out of your way to bring it all the way down here.
Bro, I'm still at rest.
It's all my April motherfucking fools. Let me bring that shit back up there.
Hey, I'm glad to see you back on.
Hold on, mirror.
Let's run it, eh? We got some heads over here today. Woo! Let's run it. You guys ready? Let's go. For sure. Let's run it. Yeah, I had to, bro. How you doing? What's up, brother? To the 60 West and then 57 South. No, 6, yeah. How you doing, brother? What's up, brother? How you doing? Yes, sir. How you doing, brother?
Good, you?
Good, good. We're leaving right now. I mean, it's like, hey, we could all hang out there, you know? How you doing, brother? How's the new bike? Where you going? Alright. Hold up, 5 minutes. Via said 5 minutes. Hey, brother. So these are the early birds. These are the early birds right here. These are the dedicated ones to have some fun. It is pretty early. Alright, let's go. Let's run it. What's up, brother? Let's roll up. We got the early birds. Money, you know how it goes. The fuck you doing? Motherfucker almost hit me. Oh, my hand's fatigued as fuck. Yeah, right here. You guys are going the wrong way, buddy. Some people took the wrong freeway. Oh, I like your RR BMW. Look good, man. We are here. We're here. Lambert Road. SnewJ, Showtime Sensor, R1 Via, and the rest of the gang behind us. What the fuck? Hey, we lost some peeps, huh?
Hopefully they know where we're going.
I don't know. I know there's more people behind us and shit.
It's alright, these are the strong ones.
Yeah. So. Oh shit. They're playing basketball. Easy, papa, easy. We are approaching Socal Motorcycles, so let's get it poppin'. Yeah, buddy. So we got some SnewJ fans that came before us and shit. Ah. Woo. Remy, what's up? Hey. No hezzy, baby, no hezzy. How you guys doing? What's up, what's up, what's up?
Yeah, back now, yeah, trap now. I don't wanna get back now. Don't you back out, baby, don't go. That foreign doesn't make me happy like you. That car, no, that car, no. I won't let us fall through. Maybe I should call you. Save time for tomorrow. Maybe buy a bottle. Oh no, I can't talk. What is this?
1, 2, 3. Got the SnewJ fam here.
I gotta stop with the peace sign.
Oh, I'm Wallace, 23 with the money.
Angel's birthday.
Happy birthday to Active.
We actually lost some guys.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, like they took the different freeway.
Say that again.
What up, man?
That's good. What up? This one, that's his. Mine's over there.
300 SnewJ.
He wants it. He wants a camera.
That's the bike mounted, man. We're just gonna put that on a bike.
Dope.
Man, that shit was nice. We had to go get gas.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, a little late action.
I need to put my hat on because I'm looking hella.
Better? Yeah. Way better.
Better?
Yeah, way better.
Nick Davis.
Jeans! What's up, brother? What's good?
Hey, what's up, man? Practice.
What's up, brother?
Sam.
What's up, man? What's up, Jay?
Sam.
Yeah, no. Where the hell everybody go?
I thought we were taking the 215 to the.
They're defined.
To the 60 to the 57.
How you doing, brother?
Pretty good? Pretty good? Pretty good?
I did that shit on accident. That shit started burning hella fast. I was like, fuck this. And then
So Jake, like this news fan right here?
You're late.
How do I turn this back on?
Yeah, Jason Derulo, man, where the stickers at?
They're in the. He has them. Hey, did you bring the stickers?
I think we should go.
I only brought the shirts. I forgot the stickers, bro. I forgot the stickers.
For my Yamaha R6, 2017. Oh, yeah.
What's up, brother? What's up, man? How you doing?
Oh, shit. They're late. Whoa. They're late again. You guys are late. Park anywhere. Park anywhere. Hey, I want to ask the cops, what are the consequences of wheelies and reckless driving?
Where's the cops at?
Over there, bro.
Let's go ask the cops.
Some questions. What's the consequences for wheelies and reckless driving?
well, I'll give you a story. I was working in Imperial Highway and the guy was doing a wheelie at 105 miles an hour. And I was like, what is that? So, I mean, he got a reckless driving ticket. I didn't impound his bike.
There's a couple of things. You're going to lose your license. You'll get suspended.
Okay.
Number one, that has nothing to do with us. That's
Okay.
DMV.
Yeah.
Fine-wise, you're talking at least $1,000.
Yep.
At least.
Damn. Lane splitting. Question on lane splitting. What's the do's and don'ts? Like,
Well, it is legal.
yeah.
650 Eve in the house.
Yo, what's happening? How y'all doing, man? I love this Southern California weather. It's amazing. You guys have great riding weather, great riding spirit, great environment, huge turnout for SnewJ's event. The bike looks amazing.
This guy's the man.
17.
This is our motto, bro.
The motto for the day. Hey. So via.
What happened?
There's a lot of people back there.
Ralph, nice to meet you, man.
Jacob.
They gave me all the good stuff.
Is that your next bike?
Okay, that one's sweet. Look at it. Oh my god.
No, Hazy.
On how to group ride properly.
Next time we do a group ride, let's not go too crazy, okay? Let's all stay at a staggered formation. Oh yeah, you saw that? Yeah. If you guys saw that on the GoPro footage, that van, like, I saw him, like, he was like turning right, and I was just like,
That's another reason why we're supposed to be riding like that, because people, they get scared and they're like, oh, this guy here, and they're not paying attention. Almost took you out, man.
1299 right here.
That's your next bike?
The floating wheel.
It's a 1299S. No, it's a 1299S custom paint like this. Super job.
Oh, this is the comfort seat?
You're gonna get your new bike. Sam, nice to meet you.
Right here?
Yeah, I want to win this.
I was the one that got lost.
Oh, bro?
I did.
He forgot the stickers. You mother. How do you forget the stickers, man? I knew you were gonna do some shit like that.
No, you didn't. What are we doing here?
Mr. Dixie yet?
I'm gonna do the.
Wanna go?
Let's go. A little bit? Not really.
The crew. Another one.
Gucci Matucci.
My suits, my Gucci. Alright, let's pick up the shirts, yeah? Hey! I'm gonna give you a ticket!
It looks like it's gonna hit it.
Where the hell did you get that donut at, man?
That's that VIP, bro.
Yeah.
Ask him where to sit.
stickers are at?
Stickers are. Forgot them.
I'm gonna go look for it.
See you again.
Yeah, man. Saw the video.
Where's my old Gsxr? That's what I want to know. Let's go find it.
Let's go look for it.
Look for
I'll find mine.
Shouldn't have lasted long.
You traded yours in too?
Yeah, this one right here. What is it?
Where is it?
Oh, that's a 750. That's a 2016, huh?
Yeah. Saw the video.
Yeah, but Lord's over there, huh?
Say hey. Alright.
Oh.
Yeah, there you go.
You said it's over in here?
Should be in here. Where's it at? It's right here.
This is it. This is my old bike.
You know what? I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna buy it right now.
You gonna buy it?
Yeah.
I don't miss it at all. New tire. Cool. Let me reminisce. I don't really miss it, but.
Oh, I just came from Claremont. So I was like,
Got some
good. It's like Rulo.
What's up, brother?
Still got stickers or not no more?
No, I forgot them.
No, we just got here right now.
Shouldn't get it.
Can I take a picture with you, Sam?
That's your bad side.
It's gonna have the.
That's right. That's our next bike. Can I take it out? I'll just play. Yeah, wait. You got the wrong Ducati, bro.
Hey, the videos do not do the sound any justice at all. So, all you people talking shit in the comment section right now, you gotta hear it in person.
Rocking it.
Hey, how you feeling?
Hey, what's up, brother?
I'd get rid of that bike. Oh shit, I'm late, bro. Oh snap.
I saw some guy limping over there. I was like, did he crash? And it was you. How are you? Good.
What's that? I know, bro. We're watching your shit for a little bit.
Yeah, thank you, man.
It's cool to see you pick up, bro.
Angel. Happy birthday.
858. Come on, I'm not skinny, I'm wiry.
You're hella buff.
Okay, Yoshimura and Suzuki t-shirts and an Orange County motorcycle training discount course voucher.
Hey, we got a winner. No helmet.
936? All right.
Oh, how'd it go in there?
Of Pirelli.
What?
Thank you. 887.
Is that you guys? No.
All right, there we go.
Lucky you.
Okay.
You Pirelli guy.
Right on.
Oh.
Courtesy of Denisi. Thank you, Denisi. 856.
Oh, congrats. Do you like the jacket?
Oh, by the way, Ducati helmet.
I need it, but I don't have the ticket.
927. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah, you have it. 927.
Oh, congratulations.
Standing. A brand new Suzuki motorcycle.
Oh.
So hang around, enjoy enjoy the event, and thank you very, very much for being here.
So what's up? How you been, man?
I've been good, brother. How you been?
Pretty cool, bro.
Thanks for coming out, man.
Just got off of work and just decided to come chill with the homie Snooze.
Hell yeah, hell yeah. R1 Via. Hey, you're gonna get the free bike? Aló, ¿cómo estás? How am I racist?
You ain't Mexican, I'll tell you that.
My little brother is half Mexican, so I have it right.
You have the right?
Hey, Jose, everyone's asking for the stickers. Where are they at?
I forgot them, okay?
Alright, so you're healing up pretty good, I can see. 6-pack. That's still, yeah, that, let's see that.
My third cheek. Oh, I thought that was
it's just swollen. You like his ass, huh?
Yeah, he's sticking.
Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready to win this free bike?
Yeah, I'm gonna win this shit right now.
There's been something stuck in my eye for the last hour. You just blow on my eye for me? Come on. More Snooch fam in the building.
Hey, what's up? It's Paul Weezy. Follow me at Papi Muy Caliente.
Hey, J Flex Derulo.
Suzuki 200S, DR200S. It's brand new, incredible motorcycle. Okay. All right, you guys got your tickets. Let's give this bike away. 9, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4.
For real?
Really? It builds the anticipation. You're absolutely right. 9, 7, 8. 1,
4. God damn it.
5, 3. You did it! Absolutely. What's your name? Mark? Mark has won this brand new Suzuki DR200.
Thank you, sir. The 1299. Oh, do it again, do it again. Hell yeah. Alright, that's the end of the event. Thanks for everybody that came out. We're about to go get something to eat real fast, so if you watched the whole video, go ahead and type SoCal, because we're at SoCal. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and remember, if you want something in life, when you want something in life, you go get it without hesitation. Don't hesitate. No hesi, baby. Peace.
I hit yeah, just like I'm closer, baby. I pull a 5, I just like I'm always late. Say it again like I miss you, baby.